Over hours, green transforms to golden yellow, reaching peak ripeness for processing. Workers diligently monitor ripeness, ensuring bananas reach their ideal processing stage. Perfectly ripened, the fragrant yellow bananas exit the rooms, ready for preparation.
At quality control, each ripe banana undergoes meticulous inspection for perfection.
Ripe bananas are thoroughly washed, ensuring immaculate cleanliness for processing.
Our journey begins in the heart of tropical plantations, where the finest bananas are meticulously cultivated. New life emerges. A young banana plant begins its promising journey. Dawn breaks over the plantation, signaling the start of another productive day.
The delicate banana flower blossoms, heralding the arrival of new fruit.
The plant's intricate stem structure efficiently transports nutrients, sustaining growth.
Advanced irrigation ensures each plant receives precise nourishment, fostering optimal growth.
Wooden props are essential, providing crucial support for the heavy, developing banana bunches.
Protective polyethylene bags shield the fruit, ensuring pristine quality and preventing damage.
Within their protective cocoons, bananas mature, safeguarded from external elements until harvest.
Skilled workers move through the rows, identifying bunches ready for their precise harvest.
With experienced hands, each bunch is meticulously inspected, ensuring optimal green ripeness.
With practiced skill, the heavy banana bunches are expertly severed from their stalks.
The weighty bunches, often over 50 kilograms, are carefully transferred for transport.
Workers expertly carry the harvested fruit towards the cableway, a vital link to the packing shed. A continuous flow of green bananas glides along the cableway, heading for initial processing. Within the cool, shaded packing shed, the fresh harvests arrive, ready for transformation.
Expert hands meticulously divide the large bunches into smaller, manageable hands.
The banana hands undergo a thorough wash, removing any field residue and sap. Cleaned and glistening, the bananas move along the conveyor, progressing to sorting.
Rigorous sorting ensures only the highest quality bananas proceed, meeting strict standards.
Sorted bananas are carefully packed into specialized cartons, ready for the next phase.
Packaged bananas enter cool rooms, where precise temperatures prevent premature ripening. Within controlled cool rooms, thousands of cartons await their journey, perfectly preserved.
Precise temperature monitoring ensures ideal conditions, safeguarding the banana's quality.
Refrigerated lorries are loaded with care, ready to transport the green fruit.
Inside the reefer, cartons are secured, maintaining a constant 13.3 degrees Celsius for transit. At the bustling port, the refrigerated cargo prepares for its overseas voyage. Cartons are carefully transferred into the ship's refrigerated holds, securing their journey. Deep within the ship, a controlled environment maintains the banana's optimal temperature.
The cargo ship sets sail, carrying its precious, temperature-controlled cargo across oceans. Days turn into nights as the ship navigates the vast open sea, unwavering. Finally reaching its destination, the ship prepares to unload its valuable cargo.
Massive cranes meticulously unload the refrigerated containers, a dance of precision. From the port, trucks transport the containers directly to the processing facilities. The journey concludes at the Advanced Processing Factory, a hub of innovation. At the factory's sterile loading bay, the bananas are prepared for their next phase. Cartons are carefully unloaded, moving from transport directly into the factory's workflow.
Automated conveyors transport the bananas deeper into the facility, a seamless transition.
Automated systems carefully open cartons, revealing the pristine green bananas within. Bananas are transferred to sealed ripening rooms, where controlled maturation begins.
Within specialized rooms, a controlled environment initiates the crucial ripening process.
Ethylene gas is precisely introduced, carefully accelerating the banana's ripening cycle. Over hours, green transforms to golden yellow, reaching peak ripeness for processing. Workers diligently monitor ripeness, ensuring bananas reach their ideal processing stage.
Perfectly ripened, the fragrant yellow bananas exit the rooms, ready for preparation.
At quality control, each ripe banana undergoes meticulous inspection for perfection.
Ripe bananas are thoroughly washed, ensuring immaculate cleanliness for processing.
Skilled workers manually peel the ripe bananas, revealing their creamy flesh.
Automated peelers efficiently prepare the bananas, ready for the next stage.
Peeled bananas enter the pulping machine, beginning their transformation into puree. Smooth, creamy banana pulp flows into holding tanks, preserving its freshness. Ascorbic acid is added, a vital step to preserve the banana puree's natural color.
Citric acid is introduced, enhancing color stability and balancing the puree's pH.
An inert nitrogen atmosphere protects the pulp, preventing oxidation and browning. The perfectly preserved banana puree is pumped into the main mixing tank. Inside the mixing tank, the puree is gently agitated, preparing for integration. UHT sterilized milk is precisely added, forming the creamy base of the shake.
Precision pumps add flavorings, sweeteners, and stabilizers, perfecting the recipe.
All ingredients are thoroughly blended, creating a smooth, consistent banana shake. The shake mixture is pumped towards homogenization, refining its texture.
High-pressure homogenization ensures an incredibly smooth, consistent shake texture.
Homogenized, the shake is now ready for the critical sterilization process.
The shake undergoes UHT sterilization, ensuring safety and extended shelf life.
Precise UHT temperatures, like 140 degrees Celsius for 4 seconds, guarantee microbial safety.
Scrape surface heat exchangers sterilize gently, preserving the shake's delicate flavor.
Sterilized and safe, the banana shake flows towards its final packaging stage.
Entering the aseptic filling room, where sterility is paramount for product integrity.
Within the sterile filling room, advanced machinery prepares for packaging. Pre-sterilized containers are meticulously prepared, ensuring absolute purity for filling.
Precision nozzles accurately fill each container with the freshly sterilized banana shake.
Immediately after filling, containers are hermetically sealed, preserving sterility. Sealed and secure, the banana shakes exit the aseptic zone, ready for inspection.
Samples are meticulously prepared for analysis, ensuring no microbial growth exists.
Incubated samples are checked for growth, confirming complete product sterility. Shakes are grouped and shrink-wrapped, creating convenient multi-packs for consumers. Multi-packs are automatically cartoned, providing robust protection for distribution.
Robotic palletizers efficiently stack cartons, preparing them for bulk transport. Pallets are securely stretch-wrapped, ensuring stability and protection during transit.
Wrapped pallets are moved into the climate-controlled warehouse for storage. Vast warehouse aisles store thousands of banana shakes, awaiting distribution.
Traceability codes and dates on each carton ensure quality control and accountability. Pallets are loaded onto delivery lorries, initiating the journey to market. The delivery lorry departs the factory, carrying fresh shakes to consumers. Navigating urban routes, the lorry transports its delicious cargo to stores.
At the supermarket loading bay, banana shakes are efficiently received.
In the stockroom, fresh supplies are prepared for display on store shelves. Store employees restock shelves, ensuring a continuous supply for customers.
On brightly lit shelves, the chilled banana shakes await eager customers.
Each bottle, a testament to quality, is perfectly chilled and ready for purchase.
A customer selects their shake, the culmination of a meticulous journey.
The banana shake joins other groceries, becoming part of a daily routine.
At checkout, the banana shake is scanned, completing the retail cycle.
With purchase complete, the consumer carries their shake home, a fresh delight.
Arriving home, the shake finds its place, ready for enjoyment.
The cap twists open, releasing the inviting aroma of fresh banana.
The smooth, creamy shake pours into a glass, a perfect, refreshing beverage. The shake's velvety texture and inviting color promise a delightful experience.
That first sip delivers pure banana flavor, a testament to quality.
The journey concludes, providing a refreshing and delightful moment of enjoyment. The cycle continues. Discarded peels enrich the earth, fostering future growth. New life emerges. A young banana plant begins its promising journey. Dawn breaks over the plantation, signaling the start of another productive day. Beneath the earth, a robust root system nourishes the plant's steady growth.
The delicate banana flower blossoms, heralding the arrival of new fruit.
The plant's intricate stem structure efficiently transports nutrients, sustaining growth.